In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your bank account info in TurboTax. If you need to update the bank account or payment information connected to your TurboTax account, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact area where that information is managed, so you can make changes quickly and confidently. To begin, sign into your TurboTax account and make sure you're on the main account dashboard. Once you are in, look toward the top area of the page for the Intuit account option. This is where TurboTax connects you to your broader Intuit account settings, including billing and payment details. Go ahead and click on Intuit account to open those account management settings. After that, you'll be taken to the account management area. From here, look for the section labeled Payment Methods. This is the place where your saved payment information is stored. Click on Payment Methods to continue. If you're updating information related to how you pay for TurboTax services, this is the correct section to use. Once you're on the Payment Methods page, you'll be able to review the payment method that's already saved to your account. If you've previously added a bank account or another payment option, this is where you can change it. Select the existing payment method and update the information as needed. As you make changes, take a moment to carefully review the account details before saving. Even a small typo in your banking information can cause problems later, so it's worth double checking everything. If the page gives you options to edit, replace, or remove the current payment method, choose the one that matches what you need to do. It's also a good idea to make sure your changes are fully saved before leaving the page. Look for any confirmation message that lets you know the update was successful. If you don't see a confirmation, stay on the page and verify that the new information appears correctly in the saved payment methods list. And that's it. To change your bank account info in TurboTax, just open your Intuit account, go to Payment Methods, and update the payment method that's already on file. It only takes a few clicks, and once you know where these settings live, it becomes much easier to manage your account information anytime you need to.